Up. Down. Repeat if necessary. Up. All right, so Caleb and I are going to make a mess. You think we would know by now to grab a drain pan so we don't make a mess when we're bleeding brakes. But this video is about a situation that went on here, and I'm going to show you something. Mobile mechanic complaints are often involved unresolved repairs after mechanic disappears, lack of insurance and warranties, dispute over quality of work. It was the other day that a customer dropped their car off for tire replacement, oil change, and brakes. That customer absolutely didn't get anything done. We gave them the price for our front brake pads and rotors that are on sale. It's $420. So after we present the needed repairs and our recommendation, this I don't even consider them a customer until they actually start spending money. Turn the wheel out a little bit, Caleb, so I could squirt it right into the bin. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. This is how you speed bleed. Up. Down. Up. Down. She look good. She look good. So, as I was saying, the customer told us to just do the oil change. Turn the wheel out. Turn the wheel out to me. To just do the oil change. Forget the tire and forget the brakes. And Rachel was like, well, that's why you're here, right? She came in for it. They're like, yeah, we can do our own oil change. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. She's good. You just saw it happen. Speed bleed, baby. Turn it straight. Pump it up. Alright, everything looks good. Back to the story. And then they called back and said, don't do the oil change. I'm sorry. They called back and said, don't do the oil change. We could do it ourselves. We don't want full synthetic when the appointment specifically said full synthetic oil change, tire replacement, and brakes. The husband says, this is funny, that we don't need full synthetic oil in our car. That's burning oil. There's no oil on the stick. So needless to say, we weren't fixing anything on the car. And then the customer is talking to Rachel, saying how condescending she was, which is not Rachel ever. And we don't need full synthetic oil in our car, even though it calls for it. And we're like, yeah, dude, you're at the wrong place. And then he said that a mobile mechanic will come to his house for $320 and do his brake job. That's not a Honda.
Do you want to know what happened to me with the Honda?
No.
Because you just do not care what I'm into just as long as I get here. I couldn't even, all the way down to the gas pedal, and I couldn't even get it to 20 miles an hour.
Okay.
So I turned around. I said, I can't drive this. I said, and nobody can drive this.
Come and tell with you.
He is tomorrow.
All right, your shirt's in my video. Cover your breast and get out of my video.
Okay.
Thanks. All right. That a mobile mechanic will come to his house and do his brakes for $340. So I was like, well, we're $100 more than them, but what you get with that is the doors are always open, the phone's always on, there's always someone here to acknowledge you. I'm going to guarantee this, and I'm not saying anything bad about mobile mechanics. If you drive 40 minutes to an hour to a customer to do a brake job, and that customer calls you the next day or the day after, you're not driving back 40 minutes to an hour to chase a customer complaint in most cases. And based on what this says here, mobile mechanic complaints often involve unresolved repairs after mechanic disappears. That's exactly the facts. They're not coming back in most cases. It would have to be a highly reputable local guy, and in my opinion, that would come back if he's even a neighborhood guy. But there is nothing like you having a sense of security of calling every shop in a franchise system or a big box store and saying, hey, I was just at another location and I had some problems. And you'll usually get some resolution. Or you go back to the shop that the bays are open and the mechanics are here, and whatever the case may be, because that does happen. I'm going to tell you, a mobile mechanic is not going to spend his time and gas money. He's driving a half hour to an hour to do you a service. Not going to happen, and hence that is what it is. So for $100, would you rather have somebody that's going to take care of you, or you have someone who's never going to answer the phone when you call, or give you the runaround to say my brakes are squeaking, or my brakes are pulsing, my brakes are smoking? Regardless of if he blames it back on the customer, you still did the work. You kind of still owe him a look-see, no different than us if a customer has a concern. We're like, hey, no problem, come back, let's just double check. Let's make sure you're not having a problem. This is just the nature of new brakes, and they're not coming back. And do they have the proper liability insurance? Absolutely not. Not like the environment you have here. If your wheel falls off, they're going to tell you you're on your own. If your parts fail, they're going to tell you you're on your own. There's not enough profit in a $320 brake job for them to come back 40 minutes to an hour and spend time at their expense. Not going to happen. So cheap people will always be cheap. And if you want good quality work and you want a establishment that's going to be there every time that you call or pick up the phone, you're at the right place. And that's here. Just to show you this again. Just like this guy. If there's any problems, it's a phone call, we'll answer. Hey, stop back, no problem. Mobile mechanic is not driving half hour, 40 minutes out of his way to find out that the problem that you had with your car has nothing to do with what he did to your car. Never going to happen. Thanks for watching.